Alright, picture this. It's 1953, India, freshly independent, buzzing with hope and ambition. And what better way to mark the beginning of a new era with a watch that wasn't just about telling time, but about building a nation? HMT watches quickly became more than just accessories. They were symbol of self-reliance, precision, and national pride. Let's dive into one of the coolest pieces that's bringing HMT into the modern era. HMT Himalaya Quartz. This watch just comes for an MRP of rupees 2250. The product comes with a standard brand warranty of 1 year. Covered in warranty, you have movement, battery, and even plating. That's great. The applied logo and the indices, they really pop and interact with the light beautifully. Just have a look. Here is how this HMT looks with my Seiko 5. And look wise, yeah, this watch can absolutely compete with this piece. After the success of HMT Himalaya Mechanical, they released a version, a quartz version, which was not loved by people so much. So they listened to the feedback and came up with this version 2 of Himalaya Quartz. The first version didn't have mountain logo or this gorgeous dolphin hands. And yeah, people noticed that. Let's talk about some specs. HMT Himalaya Quartz has that signature quartz movement, a 35.5mm dial that fits perfectly. It's great for both larger wrists and smaller wrists. And you have this brass case which you expect at this price point with fluted bezel. You get all the precision and reliability HMT is known for, with a look that's totally timeless. I honestly wanted the mechanical version, guys, but I couldn't get it. It was out of stock almost all the time and I couldn't rely on any third party seller. So I thought, let me just buy this quartz watch. It looks incredibly beautiful and almost identical to its mechanical counterpart. My only issue with this watch would be the bracelet. Seems a little flimsy, looks gorgeous. जुबली bracelet ये काफी अच्छा लग रहा है, but I think we can do better. Let's see. After changing the strap, ऐसा लग रहा है this watch is reborn. So here is the rule that I follow. If the dial is very shiny, I'll go with a leather strap. क्योंकि फिर वो पूरी watch ज़्यादा ही कुछ shiny हो जाती है and it doesn't look very nice, to me at least. Look at how light is interacting with the hands, guys. Whenever I see a watch with details like this, it really makes me happy. Because at the end of the day, watch और light का interaction से जो आपको beauty निकल के आती है, that is something that is unique to every watch and that is something that gives that pop, that personality to the watch. HMT also dropped 2 new color variants, Tiffany blue and green. Both look absolutely incredible and seriously I had a hard time picking which one I like the most. Now if you're ready to carry that legacy with you, there is no better way than to grab an HMT. A watch that isn't just about telling the time, it's about telling your own story. And HMT has been telling India's story for decades. So what are you waiting for? Be a part of something bigger, join the HMT family today and wear history on your wrist. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss out on more stories like this. Catch you in the next one. Peace.